Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. You have a data set. You need to build an Azure machine learning classification model that will identify defective products. What should you do first? Option A, load the data set. Option B, create a clustering model. Option C, split the data into training and testing data sets. Option D, create a classification model. The answer is option A. The first step in building an Azure machine learning classification model to identify defective products is to load the dataset. This is essential because without loading the data, you cannot proceed to any subsequent steps, such as data preprocessing, splitting the data, or creating the classification model. Loading the dataset provides the data that the model will use for training and testing, making it the foundational step in the process. Question 2. You need to convert receipts into transactions in a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet must include the date of the transaction, the merchant, the total spent, and any taxes paid. Which Azure AI service should you use? Option A, Custom Vision. Option B, Form Recognizer. Option C, Face. Option D, Language. The answer is option B. To convert receipts into transactions in a spreadsheet that includes the date of the transaction, the merchant, the total spent, and any taxes paid, you should use Form Recognizer. Form Recognizer is an Azure AI service that extracts data from forms, including receipts, invoices, and business cards, and converts it into structured data. This makes it specifically suitable for the task described. Question 3. You need to identify street names based on street signs and photographs. Which type of computer vision should you use? Option A, Object Detection. Option B, Optical Character Recognition. Option C, Image Classification. Option D, Facial Recognition. The answer is option B. To identify street names based on the street signs and photographs, the most suitable type of computer vision to use is Optical Character Recognition. OCR technology is specifically designed to recognize and extract text from images, making it the best choice for reading and interpreting text on street signs. Question 4. In which scenario should you use key phrase extraction? Option A, identifying whether reviews of a restaurant are positive or negative. Option B, generating captions for a video based on the audio track. Option C, identifying which documents provide information about the same topics. Option D, translating a set of documents from English to German. The answer is option C. Key phrase extraction is used to identify the main concepts or keywords in a text. This is useful for identifying which documents provide information about the same topics because it helps in finding the key themes and ideas present in each document, making it easy to group documents by their main topics. Question 5. You are developing a solution that uses the text analytics service. You need to identify the main talking points in a collection of documents. Which type of natural language processing should you use? Option A, Entity Recognition. Option B, Key phrase extraction. Option C, Sentiment Analysis. Option D, Language Detection. The answer is option B. To identify the main talking points in a collection of documents, you should use key phrase extraction. Key phrase extraction is a natural language processing technique used to identify the most important phrases within a text that represent the main topics or concepts. This helps to summarize the text's central themes effectively. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.